Today we are at the TMCA, so the Traffic Management Contractors Association. So Reflow is here to learn more about the industries that we operate in and really understand exactly how much work and detail goes into traffic management. There's been 2 workshops so far, and we've been through really detailed aspects of the training that goes in for different TM qualifications, and even looking at some of the calculations that operatives have to do on the road. So it's quite insightful to see just how much detail goes into the work for the traffic management industry in general.
Traffic Management Contractors Association is an association for those working or supplying TM contractors in the highway sector. We meet regularly to discuss industry issues, topics, areas that we can try and improve and best practice. So events like today, which is our annual workshop, is an opportunity ahead of the new membership year for members to get their voices heard. Key themes of the workshop today will be technical standards and raising those, discussion around training and what the future of that looks like, also roadworker abuse, and ultimately we want to leave today with some real clear, smart objectives of what we can do in the next year.
RAISE is an acronym basically. It's for the Roadworker Abuse and Incursion Safety Exchange. So it's a collective agreement that we're all going to come together and solve this problem.
And if we can get roadworker abuse to be recognised by society in the same way that we recognise drink driving, it's abhorrent, it's a social anathema now, and that's where we need to get roadworker abuse within the public psyche, that it's just wrong.
As Andy said, we don't know what we don't know, and at the moment we've not got anything that we can drill down and find these root cause on site. So with Laura's assistance with the RAISE platform, this should change the way we do things in this industry.
WJ are a member of the TMCA. Whilst we're not a traffic management contractor, we work directly for many of the traffic management companies here. So it's a good opportunity for us to catch up with different people that we work with, just trying to further that collaboration that we do across the sector. We've been working with Reflow for a while now. It's getting embedded within our operations. It's helping us improve efficiency, improving how we work as an organisation in terms of sharing resource across the group, and generally it's helping us improve the way that we do things.